How we doing, guys? Average Joe's Construction back here again with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be removing some ceramic tile from a bathroom and a couple closets, and I'm going to show you how I did that, and then we'll take a look at installing some new tile. It's going to be some porcelain tile we're going to be using this time. So we're going to be using some thinset as usual. When you do tile, you got to use thinset obviously to put it down on concrete and other surfaces like that. And I usually use a certain brand. It's the pre-mixed kind. I guess I don't know, call me lazy, but I like it. It works fine. And I don't do tile every day. I do so many different things. You know, I'm fine with it. It seems to do the job, and I'm happy with it. And then we're going to do some grouting. And so we're just going to walk through a couple things on that. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. Thanks a lot. Okay guys, so here we are. Just wanted to make a quick video on how to demo this out. Like I said, there's no. I ended up using a cold chisel basically and a ball peen hammer, and I also used the spider tool on my sawzall, which is very much worth the money. I was very impressed with it. It just goes back and forth. It's like a little it's like a little chipper. It's like a little chisel basically, and it just goes back and forth, and it works pretty dang good on that thinset. I'm not going to lie. You know, you probably want to have some knee pads on. You want to be as comfortable as, because it can somewhat of a pain and be uncomfortable after a while. So anyway, once you get the thinset off, then you can basically start laying out your how to lay out tile. I have another video on that. You can check the description or check my channel, and you'll see a video on how to set tile, how to start it from the center of the room, etc., whatever you have to do. And the thing on my arm was because I was getting little pieces of tile flying all over the room, and ended up getting two pretty deep cuts just off a piece of tile flying up and like just slicing my arm across as it flew across the room somehow. Anyway, be careful around toilets and the walls. Also, the baseboards like that, you may need to use an undercut saw, or you may use a Dremel or anything that you chisel, whatever, to get up under the baseboards. Most of the baseboards in here were either already set up or they were already removed, so I took care of that. And then it's just putting your new tile down. Now, I use the mastic pre-mixed tile. I'm not a ceramic tile everyday kind of guy. I do all kind of different things every day, so I don't particularly know just, you know, so much about one thing. I do know that it works very well for me, and it seems to be pleasing to customers.
Like this,
and it's the premix. Now here's the little tool I was telling you about. Very handy. I think it was about 20 bucks. And I was using a diamond blade to make all my cuts. Wet saw is also, you know, that's going to be the preferred tool. But a diamond blade on your grinder, 4.5 inch angle grinder, works very well as well. So just a quick video on how to get tile off and start a new tile over the same old spot, because somebody didn't care about their work. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you come back and we'll get this channel rolling. Thank you. God bless. Have a good day. See you later.
As flat as possible, you know.